I want to share one quick thing with you about colors and graphic design that will help you a lot in your career. So there's something called the color wheel, and you're all aware of it. And Sir Isaac Newton discovered this when he put some light through a prism at Cambridge University many, many years ago. And what he discovered is that colors that are opposite each other on this wheel tend to have a really pleasing look to the eye. And so if you get a chance, look at a lot of corporate logos, like Krispy Kreme, for example, a great donut place, as well as Chili's, as well as 7-Up. And you'll notice that, and I got to look here so I can make sure I got the right sides here. You'll notice they have this color green and then red as well. And so some of the best combinations I've seen on YouTube thumbnail images are the ones that have yellow and purple, which are opposite each other in the color spectrum. And so if you're going to be making a presentation at work, or you're making YouTube thumbnail images or any sort of advertising, one cool way to do it, which is really pleasing to the eye, is to use two colors and make sure they're opposite on this wheel. And look for it whenever you go to a store and you want to buy candies or consumer products, because you will see the opposites on the color wheel. It's really, really cool. I love it. One more quick thing I want to share with you. When it comes to putting fonts on anything you're advertising, be it a thumbnail image for a YouTube video or anything else, a book, for example, never use what are called serif fonts. And you've probably seen these when you select fonts on the software product you use, serif and sans serif. My French is awful, sorry. Don't use the serif fonts, because serif fonts are ones that have, and this is not serif, they've got squiggly lines on each character, at least one of them, and it's harder to read. So use sans, which means without in French, serif fonts. And the best one, and Steve Jobs' favorite font, was to use Helvetica, which is a great font. And try to use all caps as well, especially when it comes to creating your YouTube thumbnail images.